How to create a testimonials page. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'll show you how to create a testimonial page that can accept new testimonials. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with Wordpress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will. How to create a testimonials page. So the first thing you're going to want to do is in a new blank page is just drag this display testimonials item into your content box. Then you want to drag the capture testimonials item into another content box. Then within your testimonial capture templates, you just want to choose one of the templates. In this case I chose default capture, and then click save. Then you can click on form settings, and you can change what you want to say. You can add a new question, and you can choose which of your labels you want and whether you want them to be required or not. So I've added a new question in here, and then you can change the wording here, leave your testimonial, for example. Click save. So that then displays your testimonial capture form. Change the button color. I'm going to change it to red and apply. And you want to then save that. So that's what that looks like now on the page. And I'm just going to show you what happens when you submit a testimonial. So I'll put in my details there and leave your testimonial. Now if you go into your Thrive dashboard and into Thrive Ovation, you can see there that that's the testimonial that I've left. So if you go back to all pages, testimonials, and edit with Thrive Architect, now you can click on select testimonials, and you can choose what type of display you want. So I'm just going to go with default grid, and save, and create new display template, and testimonials, build static content, and then I'm going to select all, which will pull my testimonial through, and I'm going to click continue and finish without saving. And that's my testimonial. Now I'm going to click on the background color, and I'm going to make it red and apply. So I don't really like this template, so I'm going to click on change template, and I'm going to do this horizontal template, so small. That's what it looks like. I'm going to click on background color, I'm going to change it to my red, I'm going to click apply, then I'm going to change the text color to white and apply. So that's what my testimonial looks like, and that's it. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.